ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Video Soul, and it makes you feel good. Yes, it does. Don't you believe it?
But yeah, I always use it on I was really using it like on songs like when we first started, it was like
more bounce, more bounce, much more bounce, mama, baby, baby, baby.
And you know, it just seemed to work, and started using it on cover songs like "Heard It Through the Grapevine."
Yeah.
And I don't know, people started saying, well, you know, you can't sing, man, what you're trying to prove, you kind of this shit, it's a gimmick, blah, 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 blah. So I said, well, I'm just going to turn the whole thing around, and I'm going to do a love song with it. And that's when we came out with the penetrating, syrupy jam that came out like,
oh, computer love, baby, baby, you're my computer love, digital love. Look at all this, yes, little.